Hi everybody, it's Kayla from Kayla Crochet Love, and I'm just coming to you today because I have received my final Leo and Roxy Sock Club 2019. I ordered 3 months, a 3-month subscription, and this is my last one. A little bit sad about that because I love Leo and Roxy yarn, and I've loved the past couple that I've received, so yeah, we'll see. Let's see what's in it. I opened the package already. It's kind of mangled but I haven't. This is all I could see, so let's see what I got. Just making sure that's all that's in the package. So I got this. It has my name on it. Oh, okay. Sorry, they sent me a thing just because it's my last month, so there's a promo for other stuff. Okay, wow, okay. So again, they always give me a tea, and the tea I got last time, it was an orange chocolate tea, and it was so good. I actually ended up finding it at my grocery store, and I bought a whole box, and it is delicious. It's the same brand, so this one is organic very berry. I'm getting into drinking more teas, so shaking my table. And then I got one of these, and I've seen these, and they're really neat. So they're 4 knitting needles, and this is actually by Zigzag Stitches, and I have 2 of the bags that she has designed, and I love them. They are my favorite. So it's this. So it opens up, and it actually, so when you're working with DPNs, like when you're making socks, so you don't lose them, you just stick them in and you shut it. So I don't know if I can so I have some crochet hooks here. See, so say these are your DPNs, and you just kind of stick them in. And if you have a sock attached to it or something, then the sock just hangs out the end. And then you can close it. I mean, I could put crochet hooks in there and they won't come out. So it's really cute. Little balls of yarn. Super cute. And I was actually intrigued by these. My local yarn shop sells some of these by Zigzag Stitches. But I don't do a lot of knitting, but I mean, if I wanted to keep a crochet hook in here or something, I could. So I'll show you the label so you can see the name. Hopefully you saw that. And then this is the yarn for April. 80% merino, 20% nylon, 100% good vibes, 420 yards. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty with these purples. And there's some greens. It's a very springy color, I find. Kind of showing up a little bit more blue on camera, but it's like a lavender purple. So pretty. Oh, I love their yarn. I will probably be getting more of their yarn. So, and there's their label. So yeah, that's what I got for April. Very happy. I've been happy with all 3 of my packages. And I was going to maybe order more from Leo and Roxy, but I really want to also expand my knowledge and stuff of different dyers from Canada. So I have signed up for another club. And sorry, my dogs are in here right now. Rocky, there's a piece of tape on the floor and he's digging at it. Anyways, Sorry, he's right here. Here, I'll see if I can pick him up for you guys to see him. Here's Rocky. Here's Rocky. He's my chihuahua. Here. He's a little chunky guy. Anyway, sorry for getting off topic. Anyways, I have signed up for another another box or subscription. Oh my goodness, guys. It's Saturday here. I'm tired. So that should be coming in May. So I will share that with you guys when I receive it. But yeah, I'll talk about that more later. So I'll show you guys my stuff again because it's so pretty. So pretty. Ignore the puppy. Yeah, so pretty. So anyways, that's all I want to share with you guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.